Soil quality, not fertilizer, is the key to growing the best plants. Means that taking care of the health of the soil is more important than just using fertilizer. Healthy soil is packed with organic matter, which does wonders for enhancing the soil's structure, drainage, and water retention. It also helps plants grow by providing essential nutrients. When you add organic matter to your soil, like compost or well-aged manure, it's really helpful. It helps break down the soil particles and create air pockets. This helps water and airflow more easily through the soil, which is really important for plant roots to grow happily. Organic matter is great for enhancing the soil's nutrient holding capacity, making it easier for plants to access those nutrients. The ideal soil structure is crumbly and easy to dig, making it a breeze to work with. It happily welcomes water and allows plant roots to breathe by being loose enough. If your soil is compacted or sandy, it might be a bit challenging for plants to grow. Adding organic matter is a great way to enhance the soil structure and create a better environment for plants to thrive. If you decide to use fertilizer, I would recommend using an organic option. Organic fertilizers are great for plants because they release nutrients gradually, providing long-term benefits. On the other hand, synthetic fertilizers release nutrients quickly, which can sometimes cause nutrient imbalances. Organic fertilizers are great for enhancing soil structure and introducing helpful microbes to the soil. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.